and a 6 order. Negative ratio.
Negative ratio?
Yeah.
So it's bigger at the bottom?
Yep.
Is it like 1.5 to 1, or where are you at?
I have no idea. I bought the box home. Alright.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
How you doing?
Good, how are you doing?
Great. Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
I got 4 concrete C315s on 2 Terrence MD8Ks. I got 120 amp hour excess power Yinglong cells and 1 JS 370 under the hood.
Okay.
And a 6 order. Negative ratio.
Negative ratio?
Yeah.
So it's bigger at the bottom?
Yep.
Is it like 1.5 to 1, or where are you at?
I have no idea. I bought the box home. Alright.
Do you know what it's peaking at, frequency-wise?
Before I put the new subs in, because I had all the emissions in before I switched over, I peaked at 33 and 37.
Okay.
And did better on the high end than
It
today.
is? Okay. Yes, sir. Awesome. Thank you.
Yep.
Is the back open? Like, is it amp?
Yeah, go ahead.
All right, thank you.
The front up if you want to see.
Yeah, I'd love to.
As you can know, I just put the batteries in this morning.
It's good.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the quick walk around we just got of his system he was showcasing at the Made of Steel show in 2021 near the Tampa, Florida area. If you haven't already, go ahead and comment. Let him know what you like about his system, as well as give him a like. Did a really good job showcasing it at the show. Pretty impressive to see a negative ratio 6th order. Most 6th orders are usually in the top end of the port, and the ported chamber on the top end is actually a larger chamber, but for this enclosure, the bottom chamber is larger, making it a negative ratio. And if you notice the port in the back, this is what we're talking about by negative ratio. There is an actual port back there where there's a slot to it with a bottom chamber, and the bottom chamber is probably about 150% the size of the top chamber. So that helps a lot with the low end response. Anybody looking to do in a box like this, either a single sub or a big system with this, like this with 4+ subwoofers, you're going to look for a better low-end response with the subwoofer style like that. The way he has his amplifier and battery bank hidden behind the box. So this is actually a truck blow-through system, and he actually cut out into the cabin to be able to fit this box. It looks like it slid right into the cabin. So I did a really good job. And having these amplifier fans are always recommended when you are running a system all day demoing or running it below the impedance recommended. Keep the amplifiers cool. So if you notice the front port here, you didn't have any roundovers. It's just wide open, but there is still a loading wall there that the subwoofers are loading off of for tuning. And he said he was liking it in the mid 30 hertz range, which seems like it's pretty well. When the demo we're about to get to, he was playing down into the mid 20s really well. So if you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily videos coming your way every day on JacobViral, and enjoy this impressive negative ratio based demo.
peaking at frequency-wise?
Before I put the new subs in, because I had all the issues in before I switched over, I peaked at 33 and 37.
Okay.
And did better on the high end than it did.
Okay. Yes, sir. Awesome. Thank you.
Yep.
You have a good day, man. Thanks for showing me.
No problem.